You ever vacuum your whole place and still end up sneezing, sniffling, or waking up stuffy? That's because most vacuums miss the tiny stuff like dust, pollen, pet dander, and it just blows it right back into the air. The UWANT VC2401 changed that. It's got a 6-layer HEPA filtration system that traps 99.9% of the microscopic allergens, the things you can't see, but your body definitely reacts to. If you've got pets, seasonal allergies, or even asthma, this vacuum doesn't just clean your floors, but it also helps clean your air. With the VC2401, you don't just feel the difference, you breathe the difference.